In this video, I will show you how to download threads from Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, there's actually two ways to download threads. And the first thing you're going to want to do is come onto Instagram. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is click onto your profile icon, which is down in the bottom right hand corner. Now on this profile, I've actually got threads already. However, if you don't have it, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three lines, and you should see the option for threads on there. So what you want to do is press onto threads. It's going to bring up a card like this, and you'll see at the bottom it says get threads. So once you go ahead and press onto that, it's going to take you across to threads and you'll be able to go ahead and set up your profile. Now, if for any reason you don't see this on Instagram, what you can do is just simply come across to the Play Store if you're on an Android device, or of course the App Store if you're on an iPhone. And then just go ahead to the search box and type threads into here. And once you've typed that in, you're going to see at the very top, it's going to have the logo that looks like this. Just press onto that and you'll be able to install it directly from the Play Store or App Store. So that's how you go ahead and download thread from Instagram on your device. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.